I'm reminded of what one of my senior partners once told me when he said that the world is full of people who believe they want to be number one, but there are precious few people who like it when they get there. As a lifelong advocate of advocating a side of a decision process, it's fundamentally different to be the one who actually make the decision. And a lawyer told me that when they got into a leadership position, is they always knew that you'd have to make difficult decisions. They simply didn't appreciate how difficult it was to simply make a decision. And so to come in and have the courage of your convictions to make a decision that you believe to be the right one, even though it may not be the popular one, I think is probably what I'm called upon to do the most. But I still have to rely on preparation, have to rely on integrity and all the things that I've done. This is, to me, a natural outgrowth of what I was doing as a practitioner.
Okay.
I was among those who were responsible for handling the circumstances that grew out of a partner that was engaged in a major defalcation of violating clients' trust. And how does one maintain the integrity of the profession, the integrity of the law firm's name, and the importance of the client, and weaving your way through that set of circumstances. I chaired the firm's compensation committee for several years, and it's always a difficult challenge when you have a situation where someone's perception of themselves is different than their perception of their peers, and how do you handle that in a situation that's good for everyone? Those were certainly difficult challenges, and there are times when your commitment to integrity causes you to refuse to do what your client would like for you to do, and those are extraordinarily difficult situations. I suppose that what's most difficult, again, it's always difficult to make a decision in a difficult environment that you believe to be the right one. But I believe that a judge also has a role to play of making the people involved in the process respect the process, even if the decision is adverse. And so I believe that I'm called upon, particularly in the business court when the clients have so much participation in the pretrial part of things, is I want the litigants to walk away, the jurors to walk away, the lawyers to walk away feeling good about the judicial process, whether or not they got the decision that they were hoping for.